guess what? Are you happy I gave you the weather models that? Well, I let you borrow the weather models.com thing, Aria.
Guys,
I got it.
guys, can I give Lucas a second chance? Please.
Fine.
Wait. Which Lucas? Hurricane Lucas?
Yeah, Hurricane Lucas. You know, Lucas that got demoted.
Sorry, he's threat to security.
But
He still has to run through security.
He will not be a Hurricane Watch team.
come on, can we give him a second chance?
No.
Give him a second.
Please.
I'm okay with giving him a second chance, but he can't be Hurricane Watch team for the next 30 days.
I don't want to be mean, but he's rude.
Okay, I guess I'll invite
Yeah, he
him
is
then.
kind of rude.
Can I invite him
I don't want to
then?
be mean, but he's very rude.
You can invite him, but he has to answer questions, and he's not allowed to be on the watch team.
Okay, then.
He has no authority.
Alright, then I'll remind him that.
He really kind of really put a lot of pressure and kind of really, you know, could have done a lot of damage and harm in terms of security, and he could have let the wrong person in and really could have messed up the security, and it could have gotten ugly.
He's not allowed to be on the watch team.
You realize we're streaming, right?
Oh yeah, shit, I forgot.
Oh no. Are we streaming?
Yes. Let's not have a security fight again.
Breaking news.
Can you put my intro as well?
I've been playing your intro every single time.
No.
Everybody, just saying, it says January 13th, still 2021. It's actually, just pretend it says January 16th, 2021. That's just a reminder. So it still says January 13th, 2021. Pretend it says January 16th, 2021. Thank you. Also, everybody, the Hurricane Watch team overall for 99S is still going with the European model, just to remind you.
Who's it?
Just so you know.
Who's echoing?
Wait. What is the HWT model saying?
The HWT?
What?
The Hurricane Watch team model.
Oh, we're calling for a category.
There is no Hurricane Watch team model.
Yeah, we should make our own model.
I made the Hurricane Watch team model. I already made it.
I would just say category.
Like our
We
own
don't
model.
have the supercomputer. We don't have the supercomputers.
We don't need a
I'm
super
sure
computer.
about that.
We just need our brains.
No.
No.
The Hurricane Watch team is gonna be like the H Force. Not being extremely inaccurate, but we only track hurricanes. Right, Aria?
Yes.
No. We
Really
don't only
no.
track hurricanes.
Mainly.
Mainly, yes.
Yeah, mainly hurricanes.
Sorry, that's what I meant to say. My fault.
How about we have two models? HWT Hurricanes and another model. How about that, okay? Okay.
See a tropical storm with a lot of convection.
This is your cyclone update for January 13th, 2021, provided by the Hurricane Watch team.
January 16th, 2021.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Wait, it's afternoon, right? Okay. Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. The Hurricane Watch team is here with your latest update on the tropical storms and the invest. Today, I am joined by a lot of people. If you would like to introduce yourself, feel free to do now.
Hello, it's me.
Hello. I am a puffball. Oh, I look excited.
Hurricane HQ.
Hello, I'm the Hurricane HQ.
I think that's all we have. Who wants to speak? Yeah, let me get.
I will.
So today we are going to be talking about. So as you can see on the satellite, there's been a lot of convection here. We're roughly in around the last 4.5 to 5 hours. There's been a lot of convection with Invest 99S. and this is expected
And-
to
Yeah.
continue to go through convection and could get stronger. And again, wave heights are gonna, there's gonna be pulses of energy coming out, and so there's going to be a lot of rip currents for the northern Madagascar coast, Mauritius and Reunion. There's gonna be a lot of rip currents for that area. So
Yeah.
there should be a rip current warning, but I don't. There's like no warnings. I'm not even.
Okay, yeah. And also, I have lended Hurricane Watch Team, aka Aria, my weather models account, so Aria can use my weather models account in this video and future videos to bring you more accurate forecasts.
Yes, my small brain has to know how to use it first, cause.
Press
Yeah,
on. There's,
Huh?
You see the off below hour 0? You see the off below hour 0?
Yes.
Press make it on. Just press on off.
What does that do?
No, press on. Make it on. Press it off.
It is on.
Boom. And now look. See now all the hours are loading.
Oh, it automatically loads. Oh, dang, that's cool.
So
Wait, you didn't know that?
No, I told you I'm not very smart.
That's the only thing I know.
I just kind of knew that like you run your mouse over the
Watch the tutorial video.
No, I didn't watch a tutorial video.
No, you should.
I'm too good for tutorial videos. But I just wanted to point out that if you look here, as it is making landfall, you can clearly see an eye, lots of convection there. It looks like it begins to create some sort of a eye, roughly in 160 hours.
Whoa. We can't say it's nigh just. We can't say it's nigh just yet.
Huh?
We can't say it's an eye just yet.
I'm talking about the IR satellite in the future. Anyway, like I was saying, that it shows that 160 hours, there's a potential that an eye could form. And so, again, this could be going through a lot of intensification once it get into the Straits of Madagascar. So this is definitely going to be something we're going to be watching, as this, this is going through a lot of convection. Very, very interested to see everything that it is showing. Now, as you can also see, I'd also wanted to point out, we do have a storm making landfall. Looks more like a blob of just energy, but a blob of some energy down here, making landfall in Australia. Again, a lot of rain will be in that area, so there's gonna be a lot of heavy rain for Australia, Madagascar, Mozambique. We do have I think it's tropical storm. Forgot the name of it already.
Yeah, in Australia, there'll be like a possibility some areas could get up to 3 feet, and even in localized areas could even see up to 4 feet.
Yeah, let me get up. Let me pull up Australia. Oh, wait, Australia's not an option.
Yeah, and that is very localized as 4-foot amounts. So the storm surge can cause very deadly.
Yeah,
water heights.
definitely. Can you go to the 10M winds that it doesn't have on tropical tidbits?
What model do I use for the Australia system?
Well, Euro still.
Okay, well, all I can get is Australia and New Zealand. I can't. Unless I'm just stupid. That might be an option too. Oh shit, there's Australia.
Also,
Oh my god.
I am currently making the Hurricane Watch Team model.
We haven't even decided on that yet, though.
It's currently the Hurricane Watch Team model. It's not going to be like a supercomputer model, but like we're gonna figure it out hold on. We're gonna start out with just tracking hurricanes and eventually move on to. So we're gonna probably have 2 models. We're gonna have like Hurricane Watch Team Hurricane model, and then probably like Hurricane Watch Team USA model, where we can track weather in the USA and all hurricanes and cyclones. So mainly hurricanes, but also any weather in the USA, but mainly hurricanes still.
Yeah, right now I'm drawing up the USA model.
Oh, okay. Then I'll create the cyclone model.
There's a lot of different variants of it. They're they're accurate, but they're very inaccurate also.
So again, in this, oh gosh, dang it, like moved by itself, kind of. I did want to point out that there is this area right here, in Western Australia, where that storm does make landfall. Does look like, there's no way there's only 3 inches of rain. Is this in inches? I can't tell. It's pretty far out, but it does show a huge amount of rain in this area in Western Australia. It does, you know.
Very
So-
right.
So there's that rain in the Western Australia area, but if we go all the way back, we are watching this storm. It is going to be making landfall. It's supposed to expect me to make landfall in the next 24 to 36 hours out from now. Here is the latest satellite imagery of that system. If I pull it up, so there it is. It is. I forgot the name of it. I think, is it named or is it still Invest 91P?
Still invest 91p.
Okay.
Yep.
So it is going to be producing a lot of rain in the Queensland area, and if y'all know before, Tropical Cyclone Imogen did bring a lot, 20 inches of rain to the Queensland area, and the NS91P is also going to be bringing a lot of heavy rain in this area too. So we are seeing a lot of convection. If you just look in the past 12 hours, there is a massive amount of convection here. That is something I am watching, and it is something I am a little worried about. Watching it. So there's a lot of convection, which means there's going to be a lot of moisture, and there could be a lot of heavy rain for this area too. So flooding is a possibility in low-lying areas near creeks, bayous, or even rivers.
Yeah, and I'm just gonna say here, the Hurricane Watch team, we do believe that the GFS is underestimating this system.
Yeah.
Slightly, yes.
And now Euro is underestimating the Australia system. They only want a weak tropical storm.
GFS is currently showing has been a little bit consistency on a strong snowstorm, but it's pretty far out, and we won't be tracking that if it even happens. But it's also really stupid because it shows a second snowstorm having snow in Florida. So yeah.
All right, Sebastian, are you ready?
Yeah, for what?
The snowstorm, right?
Well, it also shows snow for Texas in it.
Oh, okay. All right, are you ready? Yeah, I'm ready. But what? Probably like north.
No, it also shows snow for Houston.
Yeah, that's not gonna happen, and we know that for sure.
Exactly, because
That means no for me. Are you serious?
out.
Gio?
So no, it's not gonna happen.
Watch it happen.
No, it won't. I'm sorry to get your I'm sorry to get your hopes down. I know you wanted a big hurricane. Just kidding. No, you didn't. Holy crap! Euro is still being consistent on a strong system.
Come on, let's get another. Imagine if I got another snowstorm in the same month. Oh, that'd be so freaking cool. I gotta track 2 snowstorms in the same month. Oh my god.
If I could control the weather, I would mainly control snowstorms and blizzards, as well as hurricanes.
All the hurricanes come from me so I can film them. Oh my god.
Okay, so we do see. I'm gonna look at I'm gonna look at the weenie model, as I like to call it. I used to think it was pretty accurate, but I call it the weenie model now. It is the H-Worth.
Has anyone seen RadSat?
The hell?
What the? It's showing a system going from 999 millibars to 977 millibars to 986 millibars in the course of 6 hours.
Holy frick.
That doesn't happen. That's like that's rapid intensification in 3 hours.
And rapid detensification. If that's even a thing. Maybe.
Rapid intensification. He's on the
Okay, so the Hurricane Watch Team model will also do seasonal forecast stuff, of course. But yeah. So the Hurricane Watch Team model, I think, if I run their predictions, can we agree on 960, 955 millibar landfall in Africa?
Yeah.
Can we not? Can we agree on that or no?
Yeah. Wow, Algeria, Nigeria, South Africa.
And also for that potential snowstorm in the GFS model, we if that continues into the next 2 runs, then I might start doing models on it. But only because of Gale, because Gale was expected to be like that this far out, and it actually did happen. So we still have to take precautions. Like even though it's far out, it could still happen.
Right, wow, look at
Even
the
though
rain.
it says 35 inches of snow.
Wow, look at this. Holy Lord, look at the rain that's supposed to fall for Madagascar in this one region. We're talking
15 inches of snow for Myrtle Beach. What the frick?
My God, relax. It's just snow. Relax. It's not like liquid
1
metal.
inch of snow for Houston. 1 inch of snow for Houston.
What was your excitement when there was supposed to be 11 inches of snow for Brian?
Oh.
Remember
I don't
that?
like track. Yeah.
You're like, I'm not gonna forget that 11 inches of snow for Brian. I wish I was there like all night. Oh, that would have been so much fun. Next thing you know, the snow is like up to my like shin. Oh, that'd be
Rain.
cool.
Now, the reason is, so again, if this potential snowstorm is consistent into the next 2 model runs, we will start being like, okay, like Gale was predicted this far out, like around the strength it actually was. So it could be like Gale, where it's predicted this far out really strong, and it was actually really strong. It could happen. You always have to think of that, unless it's a 930 millibar system, 384 hours out from the GFS Para. Then it's not going to
The
happen.
very first U.S. model is complete. It is very cheap.
So does 6-hour precipitation mean how much rain falls in 6 hours?
Yep.
Well, they're showing a maximum of 355 millimeters falling in 6 hours, I think. In northern Madagascar, there's a small patch, but there's a huge amount of rain of 355 millimeters in a 6-hour period in northern Madagascar.
I just want to say about the potential snowstorm. It's been showing it for a couple runs, but it's been changing past. But there's also been a strengthening trend.
Okay, let's go back to Madagascar. Do y'all see that?
Yes.
That's crazy, right? How much is 355 millimeters?
Okay, let's go back to Madagascar. I'll check. I want to say 355.
Y'all see
Yeah,
that?
that's something interesting in the Western Pacific at hour 192.
355 millimeters.
I was not on
And
13 inches.
down.
interesting in the South Indian at hour 192. The low pressure area with
Okay, so it was showing this snowstorm in 0D. This morning it was showing it in 60, but stronger. It's of course showing it in this current run. It was showing it in 80. It was showing it in 18D yesterday. What the fuck? How consistent has this
What's
snowstorm?
going on? Stop talking. Stop.
Am I doing something wrong?
Everyone is talking over each other, literally, and it sounds so bad on the stream.
It sounds terrible. I'm like dying over here.
Okay.
The viewer.
Yeah.
Yeah, that sounded bad.
This is terrible.
Okay. Let's see. Okay, so it's yesterday.
So like I was saying, we need to watch out for heavy rain for northern Madagascar. They're gonna have flood warnings, flood watches, definitely flood warnings. Now I don't know about mudslides. There may be. I don't know what the terrain is like in northern Madagascar, but if there's mountains, there may be a flood problem and like mudslides and landslides for that region if there are mountains.
Okay, I might be a little worried about the snowstorm. I just
Oh
might
my
be a little tiny worried.
Are you really worried about a snowstorm in Tallahassee? Come on.
No, not
Oh,
Tallahassee.
I was gonna say, are you kidding me? Chill.
It's
Relax.
just this snowstorm potentially for the central U.S., mainly central U.S. and northeast, has been showing it for longer than I saw. It's
We're,
actually it's been showing it for longer than a day at least.
we have not. Do we have anyone in Kansas that's gonna be able to track this? Or central
I got
United
a
States?
friend in Kansas.
Well, will they be able to track it from my YouTube channel?
Yeah, they like weather.
Will they be able to track it from my YouTube channel?
Probably.
Well, then we need to get them on this. That didn't make any sense. That just sounded really stupid. On the server.
Okay, so on this consistent snowstorm, the snowfall trend has been changing a good amount. Sometimes it's been going down and up a little bit, down a little bit, up a little bit. It's kind of been not really a trend, but overall, if there's a trend, it's a strengthening trend. It's mainly for the central U.S. and also some northeast, and it's been showing. And there was only one run in between where it stopped showing it, but then it came back. So. I would say I can mark this as okay. It was showing it. What the frick?
Whoa, whoa, whoa! Hold your horses.
It was also showing it the other day, but it was showing it for Wisconsin and Michigan and areas. So, but again, so it's been going mainly. It's been going down a little bit, up a little bit, or maybe a little stronger than that. But it's been changing. Not really a big trend, but if there's a trend, it's gonna be overall a strengthening trend, higher snowfall trend. Which is now it's not been 100% like that because it's been going up a little bit, maybe higher than that, going down a little bit, maybe higher than that. Like it hasn't been a perfect trend, but overall, if there's a trend, it's more snowfall, strengthening trend. Okay, this has been sheer. I can get a here I can get a prediction. It has been showing this for. Okay, we have a trend.
So it shows about 97.9 kilometers an hour at landfall for Invest 99S.
Okay, I just stubbed my toe. Ow. Okay.
Now it shows right here 125 kilometer an hour winds.
Can I say something?
Go for it.
So it was originally showing a moderate snowstorm for more up north, like Wisconsin and Michigan and Indiana and places around that, and also northeast. It was showing that, but the area has changed. It has settled into the northeast and Midwest, not Midwest, central, south central USA. It's been showing this for here at least 2 days. Because I'm getting bored of how much runs it's been showing this. So it's been showing this for so many runs that I'm literally getting bored of looking at the runs it's showing.
Do you want to take a look here?
Sir! If we can get 0V, holy crap! Okay, it's been showing it there too. We got a problem. It's been showing this for so long. Hey, Hurricane HQ, we've been getting this consistency in a big snowstorm for about at least 3 days.
3?
3 at least. At least 3 days.
Interesting.
So according to ECMWF, it shows the storm will make landfall with winds of 75.7 knots, which I believe is around 85 miles an hour in southern
Lucas,
Mozambique.
Mr. Lucas is here.
You've got to be kidding me.
Shoot.
Okay, I'm gonna put here. Can we add a warning system for the Hurricane Watch team?
Here, no. We're on stream. Here, I'll handle this. Don't worry.
No, not warning system, like hurricane warning. Like our own warning system for tropical
Oh
cyclones.
yeah, that's actually a good idea. Yeah.
Did you think I meant for the security system? No, I don't mean the security.
I thought you meant that for a second.
No, I don't mean. No, you control that. I can't control. Oh, it was showing 32 inches in this one snowstorm the other day. 31 freaking inches. What the frick?
So I do want to again talk a little bit more about 6-hour precipitation for South Africa or for Mozambique area. So again, they are showing about 5.6 inches of rain that's almost an inch of rain an hour. So they could be seeing as much as an inch of rain an hour for some of these areas. So they a lot of rain. But again, Madagascar is seeing up to 14 inches every 6 hours for northern Madagascar. So a foot every 6 hours, over a foot. This is 6-hour hourly precipitation. Now, I wish I had hourly precipitation. That would be a little bit helpful so I can understand just how much rain is coming down. There's nothing here though. See, simulated IR satellite.
First station forecast is coming.
He joined again. And he what? Okay.
So again, there's a lot of rain that's going to be present for northern Madagascar, and a lot of rain also for parts of southern Mozambique, which is something I am watching. It's not going to be pretty. It might be actually pretty ugly, and I am a little bit worried about it because this could again be something that we need to watch out for and be careful of in the future. When this does make landfall, we're gonna have to. I gotta figure it out. I need to find the Mozambique Meteorological Services if they have one, so we can kind of watch the warnings in that area as the storm approaches that region. So I'm gonna see if I can try to pull that up now. See if we can find anything. I don't even know how to spell Mozambique. Mozambique. That's a 1 QUE.
Okay, it has been showing this snowstorm for too many runs. I am getting extremely bored with looking how much runs it's been showing.
Okay, can we stick to like, you know, like to weather right now and not like
Weather.
Not
I
weather.
am talking about weather.
Can we stick to like tropical storms and hurricanes? We're like
Now let's discuss that after the stream.
yeah, let's save that for after the stream because
I'm also a little worried about that, but let's save it for after the stream.
because people are gonna be getting confused and they're gonna be like, what are y'all talking about?
Oh, we're talking about a gigantic snowstorm that's been.
No, we're not. No, we're not. We're talking about Invest 99S impacts to Mozambique.
Oh yeah, Mozambique is gonna get pretty bad with lots of rainfall, wind gusts, sustained winds. It's not gonna be pretty.
All right, now let me find the Mozambique Meteorological Services or meteorology, and I can't find it. Mozambique Department?
Lucas joined again for the third time.
Why am I?
Seriously?
And this time he is staying here for more than 5 seconds, apparently.
5 seconds. 5 seconds.
Here we
It
go.
says Hurricane Lucas is verified on YouTube in Discord, but when you actually go to it, he's not.
Lol.
What is this?
We deserve to be verified.
Okay. Is this their website? I think it's in a different language. Wait for it to load though. It's the government. It's a government website, so hopefully it works.
Iranian ballistic missiles splash down and explode dangerously close to the commercial ship in the Indian Ocean Saturday, and 100 miles from the Nimitz aircraft carrier strike group, U.S. officials say. I don't know what the frick that was.
It's okay. It's just a bomb. Don't worry about it. You'll be fine.
In the Indian Ocean, where this system is. Wow.
Okay, that's okay. No one cares.
It could do a slight. That actually could have an impact.
Yeah,
water.
it would make. Yeah. By the way, if you think bombing hurricanes would help it, no, they actually only make them stronger. And they also make them nuclear hurricanes. So don't bomb a hurricane. Maybe that's what the purpose was, to bomb the hurricane, and they didn't know it would make it stronger.
That was
Okay,
definitely not it. But alright.
No, but seriously, this could have an effect on it. That's really bad.
Could y'all help me find the Mozambique Meteorological Services, because I'm having a hard time of finding it.
Don't know.
That's a phone.
What is this?
Alright, looks like the model is done.
Okay,
I'm gonna post it.
that's great. I need the meteorologicals. I'll have to do this later because I'm not gonna spend all day looking
First
for
station
this.
model.
Hurricane HQ just posted something, and I had to read you what I was watching. It's like a model run for the hurricanes. Holy frick! That's not nice. What is that? No,
What?
no, no!
What is what?
Tropical WX posted something of the consistent hurricane in the Indian Ocean, cyclone in the Indian Ocean in a couple days that GFS has been showing, becoming a very strong hurricane on the Saffir-Simpson scale, having a gigantic eye.
And impacting Mauritius and Reunion.
Yeah, let's talk about what now?
The world is ending.
Yeah, the world is ending. 2021 is going to suck. I'm moving to Canada. Wait,
Well-
Canada has snowstorms. I'm moving to... There's nowhere I can move to. I'm moving to Canada, I guess. I like snow.
So yeah, Hurricane HQ, is this
Hey,
where
Lucas is improved.
is this where the station is gonna be at?
What
No.
station?
No, that's not where it's gonna be. No.
No, we're going to have multiple... Oh, what station?
I don't know.
No.
I don't know what this map is. I'm so confused.
Wait, I was the one that came up with the models. So was Hurricane HQ. We both came up with it. We both need to pick the station.
I don't know what I'm looking at. I need someone to help me tell me what I'm looking
What
at.
are we even talking
We're
about?
talking about the Hurricane Watch Team models.
It says
Don't
person.
don't even bother looking at that. That's just nothing.
What do you mean nothing? You just said I posted it. Don't post at me like, that's nothing. Like, I'm gonna be a little... I'm gonna be like, what is this?
I think he's picking an HQ, a headquarters, for the Hurricane Watch Team weather models.
Hurricane Lucas is verified.
Oh my god.
Oh, wait. Make sure he doesn't... Wait, is he even allowed to join the voice?
Maybe.
Maybe.
No.
I'll just approve Lucas.
I already did.
He
Don't
said,
worry.
why would you let me in LM... Okay, I don't like that. Ban him!
No, wait. Why?
He said, why would you let me in? Laughing my a-hole off.
Lol.
Yeah, I don't think we want. Yeah, I
Wait.
feel like he's gonna do something bad then if he said that.
No, I
I'll
give him
just
a
contact
chance,
him.
you know?
I'll just contact him in DMs to see what he's trying to say. Lol.
Troll face.
Oh my lord.
You know when you pull your nails off and your fingers hurt?
Huh?
What?
My fingers hurt is my point.
Your
My
fingers hurt.
You pulled your nails off?
Ew,
Ew!
that's
What?
gross.
That's disgusting.
Okay, y'all are.
What the heck? Why would you do that?
Not pull my nails off.
Oh, what do you mean?
Why would I? What are you talking about?
Well, we were talking about you, but.
Yeah, my fingers hurt. That's what I'm saying.
Okay, guess we're talking about something else.
Lucas is now very low level.
Yeah, we're gonna keep him low level. We don't.
They're verified, but
I
barely.
kind of feel bad for kicking him off the team. He actually used to be a big friend of mine, Lucas. Yeah, it turns out that was a big mistake.
No, we
I
not.
kind of feel bad for kicking him off the team because inside he probably wishes he was still on the team. Maybe, I don't know.
Yes.
Like he probably does wish that he was still.
Imagine I hop on the call.
Okay? I'm kind of fine with that. I guess so. I'll say I guess so. Can I say I guess so?
And hop on the call if he wants.
Okay, you can.
Head admin approves, Lucas. I think you're watching this. I don't know.
Admin said you can.
Wait, what do you do?
I had admin, I guess, approved that he can come in the car. I don't know.
Can we like talk about the weather and not worry about what Hurricane Lucas is doing? Cause
Yeah.
like
Well, okay, whatever.
Oh yeah, you bit too paranoid on this one.
You're a hedgehog.
Hi, Hedgehog. Hi, Hedgehog. How you doing? Want to talk?
so.
Lucas. Hello.
So again, here we go. We got Invest 91P. Here again, we are producing a lot of heavy rain in that area. We're gonna also have another storm making landfall in Western Australia, which is gonna produce a huge amount of rain and could produce a chance of flare. What?
Yeah.
Lol, Lucas's headphones are dead.
Oh,
All right, we having a
Okay.
funeral for his headphones.
Yeah. Okay. Well, Sebastian Weather Channel is predicting a landfall in Africa at about, looking at the conditions, maybe this bomb will affect it. I don't know. This bomb could affect it. I don't know. It depends where it landed in the Indian Ocean. But anyway, probably, I don't know. Whatever. It's a maybe a 960, 955, maybe 950 millibar landfall.
Who wants to be banned?
Let's see where this
What?
bomb.
Who said something about banning?
Nobody is getting.
It just.
Guys, look at US weather. Okay. First off, Joshua 91P and 99S.
I just put eyes.
Oh, why is it so annoying?
I'll still be in the call, but
Hey.
I'll just be very quiet.
I want to know where this bomb landed. I want to see if it could affect the system.
Yeah, where did it land?
I don't know. I'm gonna go to images. Where the
That would
fuck
actually make a difference if it actually was nearby.
It could make a difference if it was nearby. That is correct. Where
Okay.
did it? Where did Iranian ballistic missile land? That sounds really wrong saying it out loud. Where the frick is it? Okay. It needs.
I want
don't-
the region Scandinavia, Belgium. Bro, let's see if I heard Antarctica. Why is that even an option? Like, wow.
It's actually an option.
Yeah, Antarctica. You can look at Antarctica or the Arctic.
I'm gonna search up where because it landed in between within 20 miles of a ship in the Indian Ocean. So I'm gonna search up where that ship is, so I know it's within 20 miles of it.
Tanzania. Is Tanzania where I think it is? I think it's north of Mozambique. I think, yeah.
Explosion?
Tanzania. Bruh, oh my god. Why do we need to look at U.S. weather? We are talking about the tropics.
Okay, I don't know, but if it landed on this ship, near this ship, then it definitely did affect the system a good amount.
Say where the ship is?
Well, if it landed by this ship, it's east of western Madagascar, north of Mauritius.
Oh. Good to
That's
know.
actually not good. It's not that far.
Yeah, Madagascar, South Africa. See,
was,
why isn't Mozambique an option? That's one thing I've noticed that I don't like too much about Mozambique is not an option. I swear to goodness.
That website gives you like 500 regions, and you're complaining about it not having one.
I just need like the one country's making like they don't have one. I'm like, come on, seriously? We need Mozambique.
You probably didn't. They probably have it. You just can't find it because they have all the countries. They just.
I don't think they do. Where's Ivory Coast? I mean, they have they have South Africa.
Oh, what the heck is that?
It still explodes near Madagascar.
Huh?
No.
Alright, let's take a look at total 1 hour precipitation for Madagascar. Ooh, let's take a look at this, y'all. Oh my god. Oh, nothing is loading, so that might be a problem. Two hours. Oh no, I don't want to click on that. Fuck.
Sorry guys. There's an earthquake going on.
Just move this over here right quick. And
No, that's actually an earthquake. Holy.
oh yeah, okay.
What's going on over there, Sebastian?
Shaking.
You're actually shaking?
No.
Oh my gosh, now it tells me the map's unavailable.
I'm on a screen with the blue and a pink and a white and a blue and a pink. Oh, that's the background.
Why? How about 6 hours? Oh my god, this is trash.
The weather is going downhill in all areas, mostly.
Okay, well, I hate to tell you that, but that's great. That's wonderful, right?
Like, what models are not showing storms getting worse?
2021 will be worse than 2020 on all levels.
Okay, region.
You know how I know?
2020 was the warmest year on record.
And this year will likely be warmer. Probably.
Yeah, we're already seeing warm temperatures. Even in the Atlantic, waters are way above average. They're not even supposed to be this warm.
They're like what?
2020
Average, at least.
2020 sucks. It's the worst year of all time.
Not
No.
true. It was more like the 1300s.
536 was the worst year.
About 65.5 million years ago. That was a pretty bad time, right?
No, it was a good time in present day.
65.5 million years ago, 97% of all animals were wiped off the planet.
It wasn't really because of the asteroid. It was because of what the asteroid caused.
What the asteroid caused?
Hypercanes, which are 500 mile per hour or up hurricanes, they likely caused hypercanes, which would destroy the ozone layer back then. But then of course it built back. Lava tsunamis, regular tsunamis, acid rain,
Ooh.
shock waves, earthquakes,
I
magnitude
posted
20.
the sea surface temperature anomalies in Celsius. They're staying up there. In some areas, up to 5 degrees warmer than average.
Oh my lord, this is taking so long. It's not even. Yo, look at that rain. Oh my god. R.I.P. Oh my god.
Pulls.
Rest in peace, Madagascar.
Madagascar is not going to
Rest in peace.
This is gonna be really bad for
Salvage.
Madagascar. Wow. Look at that rain.
Mr.
Look at that, over
Peace.
650 millimeters of rain.
650. Alright, let me see what that is.
That's like 25 inches, but I have no idea.
Holy friggin' gee.
150 millimeters in inches. Oh, yeah, it's like 25 inches. Wow.
Okay. Alright, everybody say goodbye to northern Madagascar.
Is that because of 99S? I knew rain is the biggest threat for them.
Oh, it is, huh?
Well, rain and wind, yeah.
It's... The poor ocean's gonna get is gonna get 783 millimeters.
I'm a co-owner of 2 servers.
The weather's really going downhill everywhere, basically.
Not in Tallahassee. It feels like tomorrow is Sunday, but it's not. It's another Saturday because I don't have school on Monday or Tuesday.
Oh, yes.
nobody has-
Yeah, I totally forgot about that. Yeah, I have off on Monday, too.
I have on both Monday and Tuesday.
Are you off on Tuesday?
Teacher planning day.
Bro, I got a test on Wednesday, y'all.
I'm off on Monday, Tuesday after school. Yeah. So, they only give the days they have to off.
Why y'all get, like, so many days off? Like, what the fudge?
Slow mode is on in this for every 1 second. What the frick?
Alright, we are not doing good. We need to stay focused on what's going on. Alright? What?
Wait, what is tropical storm force winds in the south for Simpson scale?
39 mile per hour.
39 miles per hour.
The European model in windy for 3 p.m., which is in like never mind, this is live right now, is reading 39 miles per hour. Not even in gusts, in sustained winds for index 99S.
Alright, we now have Tropical Storm 99S, practically, right?
Yes, it's probably going to become a tropical storm within the next advisory.
When's the next advisory, do you know?
No.
You don't know?
And windy says by 8 p.m. winds will be reaching around 42 miles per hour according to the European model, and that will only rapidly increase as the system moves westward towards Madagascar.
I got 34 knots on the southwestern quadrant of Invest 99S.
Yes. Southwest is the direction.
Let's get that in miles an hour. There it is, 39 miles an hour, ladies and gentlemen.
The GFS is calling for a very similar amount, but it's more in the southeastern quadrant more. It's 41 miles per hour. So both models are agreeing that it has tropical storm force winds right now.
I am snoring.
That's okay.
Ask cat.
Hi.
So again, the GFS does say
Okay.
40 miles an hour, and the ECMWF is about 39 miles per hour. So this is gonna be something we're gonna have to watch out for.
Yeah, so we could have a tropical storm on the ground right now.
You
Then
mean
you just say a tropical storm on the
The water.
ground right now. But this is not a tornado.
I know.
We have a tropical storm on the ground right now. It's on the ground right now, just east of Madagascar. It's on the ground. We have report of a tropical storm in the Indian Ocean.
Everybody is reporting it. We all think it's a imagine. You realize that the models could just make us excited to track something by making a hurricane hitting somewhere, making the model show a big hurricane hitting somewhere, but we're not there, so we don't know that it's not actually going to happen. So we just we track something for nothing.
So again, it's supposed to have winds of over 55 miles per hour, gusts over 80 miles an hour for when it makes landfall in the Madagascar area.
Hold on, I'm just getting breaking news in. I want to try this.
Breaking news from who?
Okay, so now we have breaking news from the Joint Typhoon Warning Center.
Oh,
99S now has a 90% chance of forming within the next 24 hours.
Dang, the Joint Typhoon Warning Center. Okay, there we go. Oh, you're not wrong. Oh, we got Joshua. Oh, wait, we've had Joshua. Don't worry about it.
What?
Nothing.
Now, 91P also has a medium chance of development in the next 24 hours. 99S is likely to develop probably any minute, literally.
Let's see. What's
I'm back.
I think this is the text, right? 99S. What is the graphic? So again, here is the text. Or do you want me to read this out to the people?
You can read some of it.
Formation of a significant tropical cyclone is possible within 140 nautical miles either side of the line from 12.1 degrees south, 67.9 degrees east from 13.4 degrees south, 61.4 degrees east within the next 12 to 24 hours. Available data does not justify issuance of numbered tropical cyclone warnings at this time. Winds in the area are estimated to be between 20 to 33 knots. Again, we just checked and it has a wind of 35 miles per hour. 39 miles. What?
Guess what? Madagascar is going to die from flooding. So we might just say goodbye to them.
Northern Madagascar will be fine. I mean, won't be fine. But again, we just checked on windy, and they are seeing winds of 39 miles an hour and 40 miles an hour. The satellite, okay, so the system is moving westward at 14 knots. The area of convection in Vest 99S, previously located near 11.9 degrees south, 60.9 degrees east, is now located near 12.3 degrees south, 67.5 degrees east. Approximately 407 nautical miles southwest of Diego Garcia. Animated, enhanced infrared satellite imagery and a microwave image show a consolidating low-level circulation LLC obscured by flaring convection sheared to the west with convective banding wrapped into the circulation from the south. This image shows 25 to 30 knot winds wrapping into the LLC from the southwest quadrant. Invest 99S is in a favorable environment for development with good outflow aloft. Low to moderate 15 to 25 knots vertical wind shear and warm 28 to 29 degrees centigrade sea surface temperatures. Global models are in good agreement that Invest 99S will continue to track west-southwestward as it slowly intensifies. Maximum sustained surface winds are estimated at around 28 to 33 knots. Minimum sea level pressure is estimated to be near 1,004 millibars. The potential for development of a significant tropical cyclone within the next 24 hours is high. This alert will be reissued, upgraded to warning, or canceled.
There's very strong convection within the more northeastern part of the storm. Wow, like if you look at the past 6 hours, there's insane convection, as dark as you can go, practically.
Let me just go to the past 2 hours and shows these people what we're talking about here. Do y'all know when the advisories are from the Joint Typhoon? The Joint Typhoon Warning Center is what issues advisories, correct?
I believe.
Wait! I got it. 9 p.m. 9 p.m. Central. So 6 hours. So 3 p.m. Central.
Huh?
It updates next at 3 p.m. Central time.
So in about in 1 hour.
Yeah, 1 hour.
Now I do. So here are the. So again, this is the latest satellite imagery. There is a high cloud tops. It's going through a lot of convection. The banding is happening right now, and it's becoming rough. Did anyone find any cameras from northern Madagascar?
I didn't find any. I can check again in EarthCam. EarthCam may have 1 or 2.
And then if you can't find any, are there any for southern Mozambique for when it makes landfall there, if that is where it goes?
It most likely will in that area.
Because I just kind of want to, if we can get some cameras going, we might be able to, catch this on my stream when it makes landfall. That would be pretty cool. If there's no copyright, if I don't get in trouble for copyright.
So use the map. I don't know. I can't find anything on here. Doesn't look like there is, but I will check again with a scan full African continent area. Perfect. I think I found something. Well, I found a full map. I found something. Yeah, there are no cameras on the entire country of Madagascar. EarthCam is the biggest provider of webcams in the entire planet. There are none.
Wow. Wow, that's sucks.
We have 4 webcams on
Mozambique
and 1 on Reunion. Mozambique. Let's see. Yeah. Actually, it depends where.
Southern?
Southern. No.
Ooh. Oh, well, that's fine. How about Australia, like northern, or, Queensland area?
See. All right, let's see.
Yes, Mom?
Map is loud.
Tell your mom that we're sending a shirt to you for free.
No. There are no webcams in this sector.
Okay, I gotta go.
Lots of caps.
Okay.
Want to hand me the little one?
I have 2 cups you can take.
Derek, tell your mom. Not Derek.
Hold up, I'm giving my.
Tell your mom I'm sending a shirt to you for free. Okay.
Oh shit! Shoot.
We do have a live feed from Madaris. Live. So we probably can see some as it's moving through. Right now it's night and it's raining. Wait, is it snowing or raining?
Okay,
No,
I'm
it's
sorry.
raining.
What'd y'all say?
No, I did find one in Madaris. Maturus, whatever. There's a lot of bugs around it though, but yeah. Yeah, it's live cam, so that is good.
Any for Queensland, Australia, particularly the northern, nothing?
I will check again, but there is literally nothing there. There is a lot more in the U.S. There's not many cameras worldwide, to be honest.
What about the northwest part of Australia, Western Australia, where that other storm might make landfall?
Let's see. Just give me 1 second to find wherever the... Okay. There is cameras, do you want it near the Great Sandy Desert?
Closest to the coast would be great.
Well, I did find one. Mountain watch cam in very north Australia.
At 850 millibars. No wait. Yeah. 850 millibars. Euro wants that Australian storm to strengthen over land.
I'm so sorry, but there are no cameras that can view the ocean. There are a few mountain cams though, but they will barely make a difference because they're not even where the storm will hit. So.
Okay. Alright, well, that's alright, that's fine.
Great. There are literally, why are there no cameras? Alright, there is one. In some weird country I've never heard of.
We hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, smash that like button, and we will see you all next time. Just kidding.
What's...
Oh, no, I found a webcam in Bali.
What the hell is that? Heck is that? Where's Bali? Probably
Found a camera in Bali. It's like very north of Australia. We could get something, I don't know. It doesn't even work, never mind.
It's a broken camera?
It's just a black screen.
It's literally a broken camera. Oh my god, bro. Bali.
Bali elephant cam bathing pool.
Okay. Maybe we shouldn't be watching that if it's a bathing pool.
No, it's for elephants. It's at a zoo.
Oh, okay. I was a little worried. I don't want to watch people taking a shower or like bathing or something. That would be a little.
Everybody, I think we should end this video here since we've talked enough. We're kind of getting off topic a little bit. So how about we end the video?
Look at the cyclone tracker from Force 13. Okay, let's take a look at that. I just got that from Live on Tropics. Let's see if I can find it.
Deeper look to Australian world.
Okay.
Oh, this Australian world. Oh.
Australian world. For winter weather, we're putting a code red. I'm going to put a code red for winter weather.
Oh my gosh, why? Ugh.
Okay.
Alert.
I mean, we can't.
A large situated cold front was spotted by an untrained weather spotter.
Do that.
I have another webcam in La Reunion.
I'm looking
So
for...
cheesy.
Does anyone know where the storm tracking thing for Force 13 is at?
We got somebody in the waiting room. No, we don't.
Okay, well...
This is literally the cheapest camera setup I've ever seen. Yeah, that one's not reliable. But yeah, we have 4 webcams all around Madagascar. There's even one that faces north, which is really good.
Yeah,
and good thing it has live weather conditions too.
Yeah, if someone could help, if Live on Tropics wanted me to look at something, something from the Force 13, I am having a hard time finding it. And I cannot find it at all.
Where's the weather cam? What the heck? Oh, this is it. Yeah, there's only one reliable weather cam in that entire area.
Wait. Australia, Africa...
Matters.
Oh, Mauritius?
Mauritius. Yeah, there's only one reliable one on a secure site.
I think it's also on windy because I think it's like in the northern part, right?
Yeah. It's there's palm trees, put it that way.
Guys, I have to go to the dishes. I'll talk later, everybody. Bye and bye. I'll
All
talk
right.
later
All right, I'll
in
talk
a
to you
couple of
later.
minutes.
This kind of shows the sky, and it kind of looks like it's like the evening or something, or maybe it's like really early morning. No, it must be the evening.
It must be. I have no clue. Yeah, it must be evening. I don't know.
Medio
Hey,
Mauritius.
Google, what is the current time in Madagascar?
It's
Hey Google, what time is it in Madagascar? Yeah, it must be evening. 11:05 p.m. in that area.
well, what I mean evening, it shows it looks like 7 o'clock because you can kind of see the sky is like getting kind of darker. So this must be a really old image. Yeah, it says here, it says it was the 16th of January 2021 at 7:47 p.m.
Hmm.
And it says 13 minutes ago. Strange.
To be honest.
Well, wow, there's actually
Wait, it is the southern hemisphere though. But that still wouldn't explain. Yeah, I don't know.
what is this? Whoa, interesting storm. This
Oh,
is
is
the
that the moon?
this is the blurriest thing I've ever seen in my life. Is this what filmed in like 1992? Like, jeez.
What the heck? Oh, that's a cheesy one I saw. That's really weird. What is that? Why is there so many like weird pictures on there?
I don't know. The ocean is 80 degrees Fahrenheit. The visibility is 16 kilometers, 1,015 millibars.
Go vegan.
I know, right? It's so weird. Yeah, 11:30 p.m. It's 80 degrees outside.
And the bird in the bottom corner looks like it came from a horror movie or something.
I know, right? It's so strange. Like, I don't want to make fun of someone's like, webcam, but I mean, you really like. It even tells you the oxygen. What is this oxygen stuff? Well, no, that's not even oxygen. That's O3. NO2, SO2.
That might be like the amount of oxygen, nitrogen. I don't know what. I'm not exactly sure.
Yeah, me
I'm
neither.
not. It's either they look familiar. I probably forgot them.
Because isn't oxygen O2, right? It's two oxygens or something. Maybe it's O3.
I don't know. To be honest, that's kind of weird.
Yeah, there's a lot of different cameras in this area. This is... I forgot what...
It has a sea shepherd logo. That looks familiar. I know there are like people who go on these ships and I know there's like these whaling ships or something and they kill these big like whales or something. It's a good cause, but it's illegal.
Yeah.
That's the only thing that looks familiar on the entire thing.
Interesting, but yeah, here it is. If we go to visible, yeah, it's definitely nighttime here.
It's either nighttime or the camera's broken.
Oh, it's definitely nighttime. Because you can see, like, if you go on the visible satellite, yeah, you'll definitely be like, yeah, it's not real. This can't be, yeah.
Satellite is a lot better in the
Yeah.
day.
Which the only time we'll be able to use that is, like, in the middle of the night for me.
I know usually around 9 p.m. or so, the sun starts to rise. Not exactly there, but I've seen it on infrared that it's slowly or visible that it slowly starts to get lighter around the time we'd end our streams at like 10ish.
Yeah,
Or
and
9:30.
it's the sun's starting to rise in like Sydney, and the most eastern cities and towns of Australia. The daylight's starting to happen.
The images are only going to get better from here for today at least.
Right. So the best time would be, late tonight, like when I do my 1 a.m. stream.
That would
Let's
probably
see.
be the best for it.
Even at 2 a.m., 12 hours ago, we were still getting some light. But it looked like it was like evening or something. Yeah, it was definitely like evening, like in daytime or something. Yeah, sun was starting to go down at that time, 2 in the morning. But yeah.
I would be on the 1 a.m. stream, but it's kind of difficult. Not waking up is the problem, but my house, it's like there's an alarm system downstairs. If I walk down the steps, it goes off. And it's really hard to turn it off because it's old.
Yeah, it's
The new
alright though.
ones have like locks. I wish we had a new one. The old ones, you have to like push a key, and I tried and I messed up once, so. Because I couldn't really do it in my room because I don't want to wake people up.
Alright, it's
So
fine. Don't worry
hopefully
about
I
it.
can do it upstairs.
But I
But
will.
eventually we replace the alarm system that we have.
Yeah, I will definitely be doing probably more streams, earlier in the morning because the storm's still gonna be making landfall, and I want to make sure I get it during the right time.
Yeah.
So that sun is setting,
You
and
want apps where you just push a button and it turns off. That's what I would need.
yeah, that'd be cool. But
Yeah,
then,
right now it's like if I ever like I know once I tried to wake up that I need to do something, but my friend didn't. My friend fell asleep. It was for the other channel, and yeah, that entire thing failed. But I think it was a whole thing. You had to plan the entire thing. So it just I don't know. It's hard.
yeah, it's alright though. It's fine. But the sun is now rising in the eastern part of Australia right now. Like parts of Sydney, Australia, and yeah, Sydney, Australia, and just eastern parts. But I think by the time our 7 p.m. stream comes around, tropical storm Joshua, there may be some daylight in like in like 6 hours, 5 to 6 hours. So I'm hoping in that time.
Yeah, probably around 8.
Yeah, 8 o'clock. Tropical Storm Joshua. We should be getting some light on that, and we might be able to use satellite for that. That'd be pretty cool.
Yeah.
But
I know some like visible. You can't see anything at night.
yeah, it's like a black screen.
Yeah, I know. Like what? I think those are a little bit more like Yeah, I don't know.
Those are like actual camera. Like they can't see anything. It's just a camera. They can't like see any clouds. It doesn't. Yeah, they can't see anything. So
I think this does like reflect something, or the one they're using on Windy.
yeah, it has to reflect something. Cause like if it didn't, you wouldn't be able to see anything. It'd just be like black. But
Possibly moonlight. I'm not sure.
what does blue look like? Like blue, everything's kind of like a greenish color.
It's interesting. Like right when the sun's rising, it's like all yellow.
It's actually really pretty. If you've ever seen a sunrise on the International Space Station, you should look it up. It's beautiful. Because you get to actually see the sun coming through the atmosphere, and it's actually really cool. They get several sunrises and sunsets in a 24-hour period because they're going around the Earth.
Yeah. They also get a good view of hurricanes.
Yeah. Yeah. They get good view of hurricanes. That's really cool. And they get good view of like cities, and it's beautiful, but being in space is very dangerous and very scary.
And hard. You have to
Hard.
float everywhere. You can't like lay down.
Yeah, there aren't like you can't like really.
If you
Yeah.
want to sleep, you have to put restraints on.
Yeah, because you don't like float away, right? That would be so scary. I'd feel imprisoned. I feel like.
Yeah, you're stuck in there too for a while.
Yeah, I would. That would like freak me out. I'd feel imprisoned.
I would always be afraid I'm gonna bump in because, like, literally, whenever they show pictures of the International Space Station, there's literally wires and like laptops mounted everywhere.
Yeah, it was
I
like
feel like I would like to bounce into something and break something.
that would be. They're probably like trained not to like know how to like, I guess learn how to walk again in space or something, like move around, and they're probably like trained so they don't like. It's like if you're moving too fast and you can't stop yourself and you run into a computer, there's a big possibility you're going to destroy it. You know.
Yeah.
Because there's no, like, friction except for the air around you. Because there's, like, air in the... Unless you, like, I don't know, like, grab onto something. But, see, that's the thing. If I was, like, in the International Space Station, my automatic, to, like, try to slow myself down would try to, like, grab something. But, again, if I grab a computer, I'd, like, pull it off the wall.
Yeah.
There's, like, so many, like, wires and fragile technology in the International Space Station. I would be fired the first day.
And using the bathroom is hard. There's literally a tube.
It sucks, yeah. It, like, sucks the thing, yeah. And, like, if you get it, if it gets out of control, just imagine that. You're walking by the bathroom and you see this water floating by, you're like, whoa, what's that? Oh, that would be, like, that'd be terrible.
I followed the Weather Channel on Twitter, but all they post about is their truck shows and when they're premiering. I wish they like posted more weather updates and stuff.
Do they post any?
They do, but not money.
Do they post more?
One of the stuff is like new episode of Highway Through Hell premiering at 8 p.m. Eastern, 7 p.m. Central.
We don't care about no truck show.
They're all kind of the same too.
I mean, I think I watched one and I thought it was like, oh, this is actually kind of interesting. And I literally watched it. I don't know what I was doing. I guess I was like so bored I just started watching it because I was like watching the Weather Channel on my laptop. And I was just watching it. And next thing I knew, I was like, did I just watch a truck show? And I didn't even realize it. Like,
I actually like when it's already on and like when they transition and stuff. I just watch it anyway because it's on.
yeah, it is.
I don't know why. I don't really like them, but it's just weird because I just watch them and I don't know why.
I'm probably gonna watch the Weather Channel more today. Just why not? I guess
Yeah, I know. After 8 p.m., they usually switch the truck shows though.
How long?
Except when there's like something really major.
Yeah, like during like Harvey.
Yeah, really any hurricanes.
Yeah, I had to think of one that was after 8 p.m. Because I know Michael made landfall during the day. I'm pretty sure Dorian made landfall in the Bahamas during the day. Katrina made landfall in the morning. I don't know if they were showing truck shows in 2005. That'd be crazy.
Better because more people are aware of the situation. They could see it.
Mm-hmm.
At night, people are sleeping. So literally a massive tree, like something, I don't know, a massive tree could fall into their house and they would not even know.
It would be absolutely horrible. I mean, that's the scary thing about, hurricanes and tornadoes and severe weather at nighttime, is you can't see anything. Like, you can't see a tornado at nighttime. You can't see hail,
Yeah.
And, like, you go outside and, because, like, imagine if you got hit in the head by a softball from, like, I don't know, 30, 40,000 feet up. It'd kill you.
Yeah.
Like, I can't imagine that. That's... Well, I mean, it depends on, where they form, the altitude, but that would just be horrible.
Yeah, that would definitely not be good.
Because I have heard there've been...
It's not really, likely that they always... It's not, common.
Yeah, it's pretty rare to have...
Softball-sized.
Softball... Like, baseball size is dangerous, but if you get softball size, or imagine, like, you get bowling ball size, like, you're screwed.
Bowling ball, and the world's gonna end.
I guess I saw a video where a softball hit a car and, like, the entire windshield was, like, shattered. There was no glass. It was just destroyed. The whole car was pretty much destroyed because it was, like, softball hail was coming down, and like that would be
Yeah, I
some
remember I watched what is it, that movie, The Day After Tomorrow. They had one scene where there's like these huge hail, and it was literally like destroying everything. It would just kill everyone.
I would be.
I don't know how realistic that movie really is. Like the big freezing storms is kind of not realistic because it is like it's like the form of a low pressure system, but with qualities of a high pressure system, which makes no sense. So I don't think the ending like makes any sense in that movie.
All right. Am I allowed to use Force 13 Cyclone Tracker, or am I gonna get in trouble for using it?
I don't know.
Cause I'm using it right now. Like they actually have a really cool website. I'm so kind of jealous. Like I wish I would have come up with like a website like this before they did. I'm kind of jealous because they actually have a really good website. It is super organized and it's built well.
There's only a few things I would change. The only thing I don't like is the colors at the top. But it's mostly really cool, the site.
Yeah, it is really cool. I like it a lot. I'll be honest, I'm a tiny bit jealous. You know, like I don't have like have a website like this. But
Don't worry. I'm better.
I'm back. I'm back. I'm back.
welcome back, Sebastian. I mean, welcome back, COVID patient.
How are we doing? What are we talking about?
The stream's an hour and 20 minutes long so far.
Why don't we end it now?
HWRF model. They want me to look at the HWRF model. Okay. So again, if y'all have any, we need to get a link so we need to get a link or a store so they can literally click on that link and it will take them to a website cause like, so they can kind of handle, so your mom.
They can't buy yet.
I know, but I'm just saying we need to get this store set up pretty soon. Obviously they can't buy because I don't want to talk about that yet.
Yes. But soon, right?
Yeah, soon. Something big is coming, y'all.
Yeah.
Anyway, let's get right into the South Indian Ocean.
We still have 3 people watching, so they're not bored yet.
So here is the South Indian Ocean. As you can kind of see, the ECMWL brings, Invest 99S onto land. And then it does intensify quite quickly. Definitely a hurricane there with winds look like close to 65 to 70 knot winds there in southern Mozambique area. And then it makes landfall and dissipates. But we're going to have to watch the storm very, very quick, very, very carefully. Oh, wait, HWRF model is what I meant to look at. That's what they want me to look at. 99S. And then we do want to take a look at... Can we take a look at IRS? Oh, my God. I hate you. Wait, maybe I don't. Yay. Oh, look at... Oh, wow. Dang it. It's fine. Alright, let's take a look at winds. So, I did want to point out the intensity of... Bro, are you serious? Bruh. Okay, there we go. So, I did want to point out right before landfall here, they just have hurricane force winds of 64.7 knots. But then, as you can see right there at its landfall, it has barely tropical storm force winds of only 44 knots. So, to me, according to the HWRF, it weekends before it makes landfall. So here you can kind of see it has 64 knots, 56 knots, 52 knots, 51 knots, 46 knots, 44 knots landfall at 30. And then pretty much the moment it makes landfall, it's pretty much almost completely gone. And it's estimated to weaken down to around 27 knot winds and then intensify again as it is over water. So we're going to have to watch the storm. So again, here is the satellite imagery of Invest 99S. And we do see a lot of convection with that storm. Just waiting for it to load. All right,
You know, we need a website.
I already made a website, but it's a Wix.
Excuse me.
Yeah, we're probably gonna make a new one.
Like what we should
Can I
have.
make it?
Like no, what I'm saying is we should have a website that's more professional.
Professional.
Like it looks like I'm not trying to copy Hurricane. I'm not trying to copy.
Okay, I'm gonna search up. Can I make it? Can I make it?
I mean, yeah, anyone can make it.
No, Sebastian, no, you can't.
Okay,
Not
well-
just no. Everyone's gonna make it.
Good idea.
Well, then we have
Okay.
to pick somebody.
Hmm?
How about can I make here? How about I make it? Can I
Well, we can all work on it.
make it?
We
But-
can all work on it.
But
Yeah,
like,
but can I actually? Well, can I first create this website and then we all work on it?
Well, first thing we should do is make a Hurricane Watch Team Wix account.
we do have
We
one.
I already have one.
Well, no,
I already-
the website it says like Geo's Basin or something. It
No,
doesn't
my-
say Hurricane Watch Team or .wixsite.com/home or whatever. It says here. This is what it says. It says Jovis Basin. Giovis Sebastian .wixsite.com/Hurricane Watch Team. What we can do is we can make a Hurricane Watch Team account. So it says hurricanewatchteam.wixsite.com.
How about a week? I'm gonna create a GoDaddy website. It's way more professional.
I don't.
Okay.
I don't know about that one. Oh my god.
What? What do you mean?
Oh my god. Okay, whatever.
GoDaddy.
Not create anything yet.
Just
GoDaddy is very professional. But okay.
Let me look it up real quick.
okay.
GoDaddy. Okay, the GoDaddy sounds really wrong. That sounds really.
Try not to laugh, but I'm like, oh my god.
That sounds so wrong.
You still have
I
to really,
watched
you still have to pay for it though.
You do?
Well, to get like features, and like no thing that says made by GoDaddy.
Okay, then no, we're not doing that. How? But we have a Wix. Well, here.
Wix, you also have to pay.
I have a Wix. Well, I already
Here.
worked pretty hard on the Wix. No, you don't. I didn't have to pay a dime.
Yeah, but it still says this site was designed by Wix. The bottom, the secret bottom. You know what it says? Probably created by Wix.com.
Who cares?
You can actually remove that. You know that, right?
So if GoDaddy makes you pay and Wix makes you pay, where are we going to create a website?
Where?
I got an idea.
What's your idea?
I'm going to search up free
That sounds
website creator. Boom, boom.
All right, I
Wait,
have.
what happens if you subscribe?
Huh?
Wait, what happens if you subscribe on
Webador.
what?
I guess Webador is a good one. Create a free website. Oh,
No, all of them are gonna make you pay.
free website creator. Get it? No, that's Wix. Okay, I have an NHD web creator. It's mainly for history, but you can create one. It's mainly for history. It's National History Day website, but you can still create on it. So maybe we can create a website there.
Here, you know what? Let me look into
Because
Wix.
you can make it very professional on there. Okay. But okay.
Here, let me look at something real quick. If it ever says pricing, that means you have to pay.
But I didn't have to pray.
Well, yeah. Yeah.
So,
Yeah.
so Live on Tropics wants to know if we're gonna stay until the JTWC update in half an hour. Are we gonna stay?
Oh, I guess. How about let's have a random conversation until it happens?
No, we should be talking about weather.
Alright, well, a Wix, what if we made a new Wix account? Hurricane
Can I create it. Well, it's pretty hard to create a Wix. Can I create it?
Twice.
What?
I've made a Wix twice.
I did see his Wix. It does look pretty good. How about we give Hurricane HQ a shot? What do you say? We should give him one. We should give him a try, right?
Well, can you make us admins then on it so we can add posts and stuff? Hurricane, you know how to add contributors, which means like people.
Wait. Why can't we just all log on the same account?
That's actually a great idea. Will you tell us the account info?
Well, why not? It will be hurricanewashington@gmail.com, I think, would be the thing, so.
Man, I only get so many emails.
But we'll tell, but we'll all log on to the same Wix, so we can all add on the same account, okay? Right?
Yeah. First, I do want to
Okay.
do a rough design, though.
Yeah, because I want to make a couple categories.
We'll have a lot of categories, don't worry.
I want to make categories.
It'll be similar to the Force 13 website.
Except the 413 website wasn't created on Wix.
So?
That was they weren't even using a website creator. That was just a pure website.
Yeah, they made that
If you hire a website designer, we can do this.
Conveniently, I just got an ad that's called Sell Your Merch, Shopify.com.
Oh, you didn't know there's something called targeted ads. It sees what you're searching on YouTube, on Google, and it automatically finds ads related to those things. Even people in your family.
You can easily sell your stuff and put prices on it, and then people can buy it. I think I found what we're going to use to sell our merch.
Your mom.
That's kind of true, actually.
You're gonna be using your mom to sell it.
They're working. The ads are working. You're falling for the ads.
Maybe we'll use the Shopify one. I might use it.
Well, we're not using GoDaddy.
Go, Daddy! Funniest kid text answered. I hear my dad wrestling in my room. I always say, "Go, Daddy!"
Stop. You're gonna get this video banned from the internet if you keep saying I hear my parents wrestling under the sheets or
I'll
something.
do a different one. Bob has 50 slices of cake. He eats 48. What does he have now? Diabetes.
He has a funeral to plan.
He ate 48 slices of cake.
What does he have? A funeral to plan. Oh man, that's cold.
Okay, what about we make a
I'm gonna get in so much trouble if I say this, continue to say this. YouTube's gonna be like, you hate fat people. No, I don't.
Demonetized.
Demonetized. I'm not even making money.
Demonetization. No one believes it. Demonetization.
I'm currently watching the best
You're
day.
about to get demonetized.
I'm currently watching. I put the best day ever SpongeBob over the end of the world. That's what I'm watching.
Aria, a verification code was sent to your phone.
Okay, shoot, I have to go get my phone now.
Get your phone! Oh, are you creating the Wix?
Yeah.
Okay, so we'll all be able to log on into that Wix account so we can all edit the website, correct?
Don't worry. Once the site is done, we can all log on.
Good. Can you create a category for winter weather, tropical weather, and severe weather?
Yeah, don't worry. There's gonna be an entire line of stuff, like the other thing, you know.
Can you make a category for merch?
So store?
Yes.
You can buy my stuff.
My stuff. And all of our stuff.
Well, I don't know.
Okay.
Okay,
I'm
so
not gonna say this on air, but I'm gonna just send it to your I'm gonna send it to your thing on Discord, alright?
Okay. I don't know.
Clouds
Hedgehog
don't scare me,
anything
they
yet.
hit the skies. Man, I never get tired of SpongeBob.
Okay, I'm 18 and I got tired of them like 20 years, like 10 years ago.
Demonetization.
Demonetization. Did you know you can sell stuff on Wix really easily? Did you know that?
Yeah, we all knew that. You told us that
So,
2 times.
That's actually the main purpose of Wix. That's the best part. So we're gonna have a store category, and of course I am the merch manager.
I mean, technically that's your mom.
Okay, me and my mom are the head of the merch, right?
Are we gonna add your mom to Discord?
Well, are me and my mom the head of the merch and the merch managers, correct?
Yes.
I decide which merch gets accepted and which doesn't. Also, Live on Tropics merch did get accepted.
Yes! I actually like that much. It's so...
Okay, what kind of website will it be? Business, online store, photography, music, designer, restaurant.
News!
Food,
Search up news. And it's news. News, weather falls under news. They don't have a weather category, but they do have news.
Please, no news.
Okay! Is there an other category?
Yeah, I pushed other.
Okay.
There's a lot of pre-made templates. Do you want to use one of those, or should we make our own from scratch?
I think did I make mine from scratch?
Ow, my mouth.
I think we should make our own from scratch.
Yeah.
Did Hurricane HQ, do you usually make yours from scratch?
Yeah, I made both of mine from scratch.
Okay, then let's do scratch.
I was even making a third one.
From scratch?
Yeah, for fun. But I never really published it.
Yeah, remember we have to publish the website, right?
That would be helpful. That would be the point, right?
Hey, I just made a website. Everyone should be able to log in if you log in with the Hurricane Watching Google account.
And you don't have to add us as an admin or contributors or anything because we'll all log into the account.
Yeah.
So you don't need to add us as admins or contributors or something because we're just gonna log into the owner account. Is that correct?
Yeah.
Okay.
Also, make sure you don't send my email and password around because I don't want to be getting random emails from people, saying, "Oh, you subscribe to this." I'm like, really?
Yeah.
So yeah,
I don't want. We can't have the email being sent around because one, we can't have people just making random videos, and number two, we can't send the Wix account We already said the email, but we can't send the Wix account password around because that means people can just log into the owner account on Wix and give away, and just maybe delete stuff, maybe add stuff we don't want. So don't give away the Wix password. Only send it in DMs, okay?
yes. I was just letting you know because
No Wix password. You log in with Google.
Okay, well, don't tell them the Google password. I know it, and I'm not telling anybody.
Yeah.
I know it, sir. I don't remember it, but it's somewhere, and I won't
Just
tell
don't
anyone.
say it because if people find out, I may be getting subscribed to some of the weirdest stuff.
Yeah, I think my digital assistant heard me, though. My digital assistant just talked. Saying, alright then. Creepy.
Okay.
Siri does that sometimes.
Oh, digital assistant? Okay. Not gonna... Just gonna forget that.
Dude, I forgot. There's a mobile app too.
That's why.
We have to make it look good on both.
There's one visitor on your site.
Let's see. Force 13. I'm gonna look it up. Let's see what their site looks like on mobile.
I'm gonna get the Wix app because it's on my other iPad, but not on this one.
Oh, Force 13 looks so insanely cool. On mobile.
You didn't. I see.
Should I design it for, I'll design it for computer first. And if you want to jump on, you're free to.
Okay.
When you create a Wix account, you can see it on computer and on mobile. You know
I know.
that, right?
I know.
So what do you mean you're designing it for computer first? That doesn't
You
make sense.
have to design it on computer, and then you have to edit it on mobile.
How does that work? Oh, so you actually create the actual website on and publish it on the computer, but when you want to add stuff or edit the website, you do it on mobile?
No. No, I do everything on the computer.
But can I do it on
Switch to here. Just don't worry about it.
Is it able I'm do it on mobile. Is that okay? Is it okay on mobile?
Fine.
Is it okay on mobile?
It's okay.
Okay, good. Because I need to edit on mobile as well.
Whoa, are you okay?
I'm good. I think I got COVID over the internet.
Me and I spread the COVID to Arya over the internet.
Confirmed. COVID can now be spread through the phone. Do not call anyone who has COVID. leave them alone. Oh my god, I'm dead. I have COVID. All right, guys.
It turns out somebody once made $25,000 on Wix from their merch.
And her name was Arya.
A future Arya.
And she made not
Well, no,
25,000.
future Sebastian.
They ain't no
No.
Aria. Hey.
Future Sebastian, future Sebastian's mom, and future Arya made $25,000.
Future Sebastian Basin.
Oh, that'd be bad.
How do you stretch images? So stretch.
Just imagine if
What?
we. Oh, that'd be great.
You know what's stupid? We didn't even think about using Squarespace.
Squarespace.
It costs money, but it's really good.
See, if we can get things selling like that, then we could be getting money. Then I could be getting money in. I don't have any money.
Who said you would be getting money?
You said I get half of it, right?
Yeah. Well, we would subtract the amount of money it costs to buy the stuff and the amount of money the order was, and you get half the profit. You get half the profit. Okay?
So wait, Arya gets 100% of all profit.
No.
Correct.
No, she gets
No?
50. She doesn't get 100% because my mom made it. So, but I also want Arya to still get some. So she's supposed to get 50% of the profit. So say we had a profit of $50. My mom would get $25 and Arya would get $25.
Well, the website is looking really cool so far. I put the channel banner at the top of the website.
Yeah.
And then under it, I'm going to put a big long bar thing. It's going to show all the options. But it won't exist on mobile.
Well, wait, so I can't do it on mobile?
No. Don't worry. No, you can.
Good.
Here, like,
Here,
forget it.
I'll talk about something else. Don't worry.
I can't see it. I think you have to publish it before I can see it or something.
Exactly.
You should be able to.
No, because I went on my sites, Wix.com, under my
Wait,
email.
you can go under the Hurricane Watch Team at gmail.com, correct?
Yeah.
Now, and is it the same password to your Gmail account?
Better be.
Is it?
No, I just pushed login with Google, and then I selected the Hurricane Watch Team account.
Oh yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. Continuous Google. Continue. Where's the Hurricane Watch
So
team? Here it is.
confusing.
Hurricane Watch team. What? Okay.
Why is this so confusing?
Okay, you got a verification code. What is it, Aria?
Here, let me send it to you.
Send it in DMs.
Obviously.
I have no idea how to find. I literally lost the only thing. What the?
Guys, I'm home alone. Dun, dun, dun.
Nobody cares.
You know, I'm 18. It doesn't matter, does it? I'm basically an adult by myself.
You're le-
I found
I
it.
told my-
Finally, after like 200 years.
God damn, you're
Do you
that
want
old
rounded
already.
boxes?
Say what?
Wait, do you want rounded boxes or square boxes?
What the hell? I've never heard of rounded boxes in my entire life.
What?
What the hell's a round box? 'Cause-
I logged. What the? Did I seriously? Wait. Did I? I'm on the Hurricane. Wait, did you? Are you just listening to my account?
I have no idea what you're talking about.
What is your? Can you send me the link to your account? Because I logged in.
You logged into the Hurricane Watch team, correct?
Yes, I can't find, and I cannot. Yeah, Hurricane Watch Team at gmail.com. Wait, I logged into Aria's Wix. That means. Oh, you're not? You haven't published a website yet, have you?
I can't.
Why? What? Just
I'm
tell me
doing it.
why you can't publish the web.
I'm doing the website right now.
But we'll be able to see it when you publish it, correct?
Alright, fine.
I'm just asking, will we be able to see it when you publish it?
Go back.
I published it, so you should see it now.
Okay.
Yo, that's so sick. Oh, I'm just gonna wait, what? Wait, oh, here, let me go.
Alright, so I have home, I have current cyclones. What else should I do?
Yo, guys.
Should
Should
I
I
delete
delete my old website? Should I delete my old web? Should I delete my
No,
old
leave it for
website?
now.
I cannot see the website. Oh, no, I see it. It's called My Site.
I know I have to change it. I didn't really do
What
much
the
yet.
frick is this? You didn't do anything.
Oh.
Just started it.
Exactly.
All I put in was the banner and the bar.
I don't
I'm currently
see the
using.
banner. Where's the banner?
Oh my god.
The banner is the top. How do you not see it?
Because he's.
Oh, I see what you mean. The blue and white. Yeah.
What blue and white? No,
Okay, the thing that says My Site. I'm gonna manage it. I'm gonna add something new. I'm gonna add categories.
I'm already doing that.
Okay, then I don't need to add them. Thank you.
So I have home, I have current cyclones, I have U.S. weather, I have winter weather. What else should I do?
Severe weather.
We don't even talk about. Oh my god.
So we have severe weather. Now what should I do?
Death weather. Weather that kills people.
It doesn't.
No.
Never mind.
When
how
you
about-
realize that the next Joint Typhoon Warning Center update is in 660 seconds.
Oh my god.
When you realize the next Joint Typhoon Warning Center update is in 660 seconds.
Yeah, when we realize that, yeah.
That's
You know,
11 minutes.
It's
That's
okay.
11 minutes.
No need to yell, buddy.
They probably, well, I think they updated a little before, so, or a little after. I don't know. Let me look. I'm going to the joint. Sorry, phone warning center. They have not updated it yet.
It's very
What is
sad.
21? 21 V in EST. So, they updated.
Huh?
It says 21Z, and 21Z is 4 p.m. Eastern. Wait, yeah. Wait. Wait, I need to see something. Yeah, that's 4 p.m. That's 4 p. Okay, so they haven't made it 4 yet. Sad.
Bro, so I wasted half of an hour.
You did. You did. You did.
Well, that's me for today, guys. Have a wonderful rest of your afternoon, and that's gonna be it for today, guys. And with all that being said, I gotta find my YouTube
We'll
thing.
see you at 7 p.m. We'll see you at 7 p.m. Central.
Yeah, we will see you guys at 7 p.m. Central Time. With all that being said, peace out.